Welcome back. In this section, we are going to discuss about what is Apache Cassandra. Apache Cassandra is a free source and open source distributed wide column store NoSQL database management system designed to handle large amount of data across many commodity servers, provides high availability with no single point of failure, which is very critical for business related applications. Cassandra offers supports for cluster spanning multiple data centers with asynchronous masterless replication, allowing low latency operation for all clients. Features of Apache Cassandra: fault tolerant. Cassandra supports for replication across multiple data center is best in class, providing lower latency for user and the peace of mind of knowing that you can survive regional outages. Failed node can be replicated with no downtime. So fault tolerance is one of the best feature of Apache Cassandra. Second, focus on quality. To ensure reliability and stability, Cassandra is tested on cluster as large as 1000 nodes and with hundreds of real world use cases and schema tested with reply, fuzz, property based, fault injection and performance tests. Third, performant. Cassandra consistently outperform popular NoSQL database. Alternate is the benchmark and real application primarily because of fundamental architectural choices. Fourth, you are in control. Choose between synchronous or asynchronous replication for each update. Highly availability asynchronous operations are optimized with features like hinted, handoff and head repair. Security and observability. The audit log features for operation like DML, DDL and DCL, that is data manipulation language, data definition language and data control language activity with minimal impact to normal workload performance, while the FQL tool allows to capture and reply to production workload for analysis. So the next feature is distributed. Cassandra is suitable for application that cannot afford to lose data. Even when an entire data center goes down, there is no single point of failure. There are no network bottlenecks. Every node in the cluster is identified. Next feature is scalable. Read and write throughput both increase linearity as the new machines are added with no downtime or interruption to application. Next is elastic. Cassandra streams data between nodes during scaling operations such as adding a new node on data center during peak traffic times. Zero copy streaming makes it up to 5 times faster without vnode for a more elastic architecture, particularly in cloud and Kubernetes environment. Hybrid is the last feature of Apache Cassandra. Masterless architecture and low latency means Cassandra will withstand an entire data center outage with no data loss across public or private clouds and on premises. Cassandra is used by thousands of companies with large active data sets. Few of the examples of companies are AdStage, Best Buy, Constant Connect, Coursera, Data Cloud, Outbrain, etc. So that's all about Cassandra. In next lecture we will look at NoSQL. That's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.